What is
Right?
that?
This is the brake. This is the throttle, right? Don't touch the throttle. You're learning.
So the handle.
You can put your hand on it, but don't twist.
Okay.
Just do nothing.
Okay.
Alright? This hand, pull this all the way in. If you get scared, pull that all the way in. Okay, what does that do? It's your clutch.
Just like in your car.
So it disengages everything. Right?
It's just like the clutch in your car.
Scared,
Looking sure he drives a stick.
don't touch the throttle. That's right. Keep this hold it. Don't let that go. See, it's not moving.
Just like in your car.
Really slowly start to release this. When you get scared, release. And don't touch the throttle. Just slowly until you feel the bike to move. Like your car.
Exactly like your car. It's going to lurch and go slow. Okay, but repeat that house. She's riding your bike, little sister.
Here you go.
I would do that too. Katie rides her first motorcycle into the sunset.